Forward kinematics. In forward kinematics, we have constant DH parameters and joint variables, and our main task to find the position and orientation of the last link in a fixed or reference frame, or we can say with respect to the base. It is the most basic problem in serial manipulators kinematics, and it is required to be solved for computer visualization of motion and in offline programming systems, and it is used in advanced control schemes. After forward kinematic, the inverse kinematics, in which we have the constant dh parameters and the position and orientation of the end effector with respect to the fixed frame, and our major task to find the joint variables. It is harder than the forward kinematics problem, and it leads to the motion of workspace of a robot, and it is required for computer visualization of motion, and it is used in advanced control schemes.